Hello everyone, Spencer from Buildapreneur here, where we teach entrepreneurs all kinds of marketing hacks. Today's video is going to be about solo ads, and so I'm going to teach you what's a solo ad. And if you hang on till the end, I'm going to give you a cool free bonus offer that I offer everyone that watches this video. So what we're looking at now on our dashboard, what you can see on the screen here, is probably the biggest solo ad providing site there is out there. It's called Udimi or Udimi, depending on who you're talking to. So we're going to use that as our example. So all a solo ad is we go find someone that has a huge email list with like thousands and thousands, tens of thousands, probably hundreds of thousands of people on their email list. And we tell them we want them to email their list about our offer, okay? And so they send out an email to their list and we pay per click for how many people they send over to our offer, okay? So very, very simple. The only hard part is finding people that have good lists that have people on them that we want, right? So I have another video on how to actually make money on solo ads. That's pretty important. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to Udimi, and you're going to go to find sellers, okay? So this website, there's a link down below. Just click the link and it'll take you to this website. Create a free account. And you can start finding sellers. Udimi is super cool. It tells you how much it costs for them to send a click to your landing page or your website or your product or whatever it is. 54 cents for this guy. It tells you right here what percentage of people actually made money off of this seller. So 8% of people. Not great, not bad, and my other videos will explain why that is. And then it tells you how many people were happy with this person's performance, okay? 2,200 were happy with William, only 9 were unhappy. So William clearly knows what he's doing, okay? So I can click in here, say, yeah, I think I want William to send traffic. William's based in the United States. And then you just do something simple like, hey, I want him to send 400 visitors to my website. It says, okay, where do you want to send them? You give them a link right here. And then it's going to give you a number. So for 400 visitors, it's 219. You add to cart, and he's going to go look at the page, and he's going to go write out a good email that convinces people to go to that page, and he'll go from there. Or you can add your own ad text and tell him, hey, I want you to tell your list this. Which typically is how I recommend it because you know your product better than them. Okay, but that's all a solo ad is. A solo ad is you go to a site like udimi.com, you connect with somebody who has a big email list, and then you pay them to email their list about your product, okay? Now, there's other videos that I show how to really succeed with this because a lot of people don't succeed and a lot of people succeed wildly, okay? Now, like I said, there's going to be a little bonus where I offer at the end here. So what that bonus is I actually have a course that I offer for free. All you got to do is go down below, click the second link after Udimi, and it'll take you to a place where I show you exactly how to not only run successful solo ads, but how to create successful funnels that actually sell and how to write successful emails after that actually continue to sell your solo ad people after the fact that, after the solo ad is over. So I teach you essentially how to succeed with solo ads, okay? So now you know what it is, and there's an offer down below to learn for free how to succeed with them. If that doesn't sound awesome to you, I don't know what else to say. Anyway, if you like what you watch here and you like watching videos that have cool bonus offers at the end, then click that subscribe button. I put out content like this all the time. I teach tons of cool marketing hacks on YouTube. So click subscribe and then head down and sign up for Udemy and grab your free course and get going with solo ads. Thanks for watching.